Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of prop trading firms and their instant funding options. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the choices out there, you're not alone. We're comparing two heavyweights in the industry, FundedNext and Take Profit Trader. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of profit targets, profit splits, and what each firm offers. Let's get started. First up, let's look at the different types of funding programs available. Instant funding benefits include immediate access to funded accounts, flexibility in profit target rules, and variations in max daily loss and drawdown. Funding rules vary as different firms have unique rules for profit targets and loss limits. Understanding these rules is key to managing your trading strategy. Next, let's talk about profit targets and how they can impact your trading. FundedNext emphasizes strict profit targets, while Take Profit Trader focuses more on drawdown management. In terms of risk management, FundedNext imposes max daily loss limits, whereas Take Profit Trader has a high emphasis on reducing drawdowns. Understanding profit splits is crucial. Let's compare. FundedNext offers competitive splits that reward high performance, while Take Profit Trader provides structured splits based on your trading results. Knowing how profits are shared can help you strategize better. User satisfaction tells a lot about a firm's credibility. Let's dive into the ratings. FundedNext receives high praise for quick funding processes, while Take Profit Trader has mixed reviews, highlighting areas for improvement. Always check reviews before committing to a firm. Now, let's compare the trading platforms. FundedNext offers advanced charting tools, while Take Profit Trader focuses on execution speed. Consider how each platform supports mobile trading. To wrap it up, both FundedNext and Take Profit Trader have unique offerings when it comes to instant funding. Remember these key takeaways: immediate access versus structured funding rules, risk management strategies that fit your style, and how profit split percentages can impact your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your experiences with prop trading firms in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and updates. Until next time, happy trading!